Hi, today's video I'll be showing you guys how to remove this underneath wing mirror camera cable of this Land Rover Range Rover Velar. First thing we need to do, we need to remove this cover. Next thing we need to do, we need to remove these two screws that holds the indicator using T10. Once that's done, we need to ensure that the cable for indicator is unplugged. As what we're going to do next is we're going to remove this indicator at the same time with the underneath cover out, just like this. So now we have a clear view. Where is the camera? Now we have access how to remove the camera. It's time to remove the two fixing screws that retains the camera to the underneath cover. So simply just using T10, that one, and the other one is just right there. Once the camera is out, you can pull the cover and the indicator from the housing furthermore, just like that. So the second thing we need to do is to remove the underneath paddle light. Once all the component of the underneath cover is out, like the camera and then this paddle light, it's time to remove the indicator and the underneath cover out from the housing. I'll show you just like this. So once you're holding the housing, you just pull it out, just like that, until it comes out from the housing. Like that. The indicator comes as we're replacing the whole camera. Next thing we need to do is to remove this rubber cover to the housing. Okay, after that, next thing we need to do is to remove this cover. After you do that, it should look like this. So next thing we need to do is this cable. Within this size, it is impossible this gray socket will go out from the hole where is the power folding mechanism is. So what we're going to do is, if you're looking at this, there's a small white clip. We need to undo that to remove the gray to the cable. Okay, so now I've done releasing the fixing clip that holds the cable. So now what we need to do is just to pull it out, just like that. So that's how it should look like. Okay, so what's next? We pull the cable out from this rubber, just like this. So now it's already out. Now it's in there already. So the cable is out. So from this point, we just pull it out. And there you go. The cable is already out. There you go. So the cable is out. Now you can put the replacement back just the same.